You know, if you fall, you'll get injured. What the heck am I? I'm totally lost out here. Is this a clean? I think I should just stop here. Is this a clean parlor? Or is it a happy ending one? Or is it ladies or is it lady boys? This place is so confusing. 3 bedroom. Sun City Hotel. Uh, where the fuck? We make a 1, 2, 3, then we make a left, so we are heading south, I think. Supposed to head west, but grab. What the fuck? Bro, this is worse than my driving, now riding. I get off here. Oh, Bangladeshi restaurant. Where? I get off, I don't know where I'm going. Bro, you want to shake me off or what? Is there Wi-Fi here? Got Wi-Fi? Okay. Yeah, you want coconut? This one Muslim food? Yeah. Toast. Shawarma? Shawarma, beef, Arab. One coconut, thanks. Holy shit.